I am happy you have tuned to this program, Learn Twi with Opoku. Well, if you have been following me so far, you realize that we have learned Twi nouns, Twi pronouns, some Twi verbs, phrasal verbs, Twi conjunctions, and so on and so forth. All these are parts of what? A sentence. So it's time for us to put them together to form some simple sentences in Twi. This means that we're going to learn how to form sentences. And as I've been telling you, keep your comments coming. Formation of sentences was the request of one of my viewers. So keep your comments coming and then suggestions coming, and that will help us to what? Develop lessons together. Good. So we're going to learn how to form sentences in Twi. Isn't it nice? Good. Then stay tuned. Welcome back. Good. For us to be able to learn Twi sentences, we need to get some Twi nouns, pronouns, verbs down, and then we can use them to form sentences. Good. So we need to get some Twi pronouns first. Well, I have done an extensive lesson on Twi pronouns. I'll put the link in the description. You can refer to it and then refresh your mind. However, we know that we have these as the main Twi pronouns. We have me, which means me or I. Wo, which means you, singular. Ono, which means he or she. Eno, which means what? It. And then we have no, which means him or her. Him or her. That one is very, very important. No, which means him or her. And then the same no could also mean what? De. No. So no has several meanings. But so far as this lesson is concerned, we're going to take no as what? A definite article, de. And at the same time, him or her. Good. That is for what? Singular pronouns. And then with the plural pronouns, we have yen. That is what? We. Yen. Mo. You. Plural. Won. And that is what? They. Won. Good. Let's put these pronouns somewhere. Good. And then let's get some verbs. We'll only take 3 verbs. We have bra, and that is what? Come, or to come. Bra. We also take ko, and that is what? To go. Ko, to go. So we have bra, to come, ko, to go. And then let's take the last verb, and that is what? Ma, to give or to let. So we have bra, to come, ko, to go, ma, to let or to give. Good. Then let's take one noun, which is what? Sukuu. And that will be what? School. Okay. Now you have these vocabularies. How can we form a sentence or sentences from these vocabularies? We can put them together and then form some sentences. Well, let me help. I want you to say, come. How would you say that in Twi? Based on the vocabularies that I've given you so far? Well, definitely you are going to say bra. Good. Then, how would you say come and let's go? Come and let's go. How would you say it? Yes, you are going to say bra. Ma. Yen we. Nkɔ. Bra meɛnkɔ. Brama yɛnkɔ. Brama yɛnkɔ. Come and let's go. Come and let's go. However, I am saying Brama yɛnkɔ. You won't hear this when Ghanaians are speaking. Some of them, about 20%, they will say Brama yɛnkɔ. Brama yɛnkɔ. But about 80%, they will say Bramiɛnkɔ. 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 But it is written what? Brama-yɛnkɔ. Brama-yɛnkɔ. But if you are listening to the conversation or people speaking, they will say Bramiɛnkɔ. 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 Come and let's go. Come and let's go. Bramiɛnkɔ. Good. But not all people will say Bramiɛnkɔ or Bramiɛnkɔ. Some people will use na in place of what? Ma. Branayenko. 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 But this one too, you hear people saying Branienko. 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 Nienko. They will not say na. Even though when we are writing, we will never write Branienko. No. It's not written. We write Branayenko. Branayenko. But in normal daily conversation, we will say Branienko. Branienko. This sounds like come so that we go. When we use ma, then that one, ma, sounds what? Let. So that one, it will mean come and let's go. Come and let's go. Bramienko. Bramienko. But if I say Branienko or Branayenko, that one sounds like come so that we go. Come so that we go. Or come and we go. That is how it sounds. Come and we go, because na could also mean what? End. And in this case, it is sounding like what? So that we go. Na has several uses. When you write na in isolation and you ask any Twi speaking person, what is the meaning of na? He will look at you, say, and will tell you, I don't know. The meaning will depend on how it is used in a sentence. That it will bring out the meaning. But na in isolation may mean nothing. Yeah, it can mean end. It could also mean so that, and that, and so on and so forth. But like I said, it must be put in a sentence to bring the actual meaning of that. So we can say Branayenko, Branienko, Branayenko. And that sounds like come so that we go. Come so that we go. Good. What about saying come so that you go? If I want to say, oh, come, and then the two of you, you go. Come so that you go. In Twi, how am I going to say that? Based on vocabularies that we know so far. Well, definitely, for come, we are going to say bra. Bra. So that you go. Then I will say bra na monkɔ. Bra na monkɔ. Bra na monkɔ. Bra na monkɔ. Come so that you go. Bra na monkɔ. Bra na monkɔ. Bra na monkɔ. What about saying come and let him go? Come and let him go. Well, that one too we can say bra ma nonkɔ. Bra ma no nkɔ. No, as I told you, means what? Him or her. So if you know the person to be a woman or a man, then you will know what the no stands for. Bra ma nonkɔ. Bra ma nonkɔ. Bra ma nonkɔ. Come and let him go. Brama nonkɔ. Brama nonkɔ. Come and let him go. Bra ma no nkɔ. Brama nonkɔ. Brama nonkɔ. Come and let him go. Come and let him go. Brama nonkɔ. So we have bra meɛnkɔ. Come and let it go. And then we also have bra neɛnkɔ. Bra neɛnkɔ. Come so that we go. Come so that we go. Bra neɛnkɔ. And then if I want to say come and let him go, then I will say bra nonkɔ. Bra nonkɔ. I can also say come so that he goes. Come so that he goes. Then I will say bra ɔnkɔ. Bra ɔnkɔ. Bra ɔnkɔ. Bra ɔnkɔ. Good. I think if you follow me through this series, you should be able to make some simple sentences in Twi. Good. What about saying come and let them go? In Twi, we will say bra. Bra. Twi is not like English. In English, when we have plural noun, the verb changes. And when we have the singular noun, the verb also changes. For example, I will say he goes. He goes. But I will also say they go. You see, I will not say they goes, but I will say they go. He goes. But Twi is not like that. The verb always remains the same, irrespective of the singularity or the plurality of the noun. The verb remains the same. If you have observed, when I use singular pronoun, the verb still remains the same. So if you are going to say come and let them go, in Twi you will say bra ma wɔnkɔ. One, that is they. Ko, go. Bra ma wɔnkɔ. Bra ma wɔnkɔ. The ko did not change, though we are using plural pronoun. The ko did not change. In much the same way, when you are using a singular pronoun, the ko will still remain ko. It will not change. Unlike English, where we will get go and then goes. In Twi, the verb remains the same. And that makes it what? Easier. Good. So we will say bra ma wɔnkɔ. Bra ma wɔnkɔ. Come and let them go. But we can also say come so that they go. Then I will say bra na wɔnkɔ. Bra na wɔnkɔ. Bra na wɔnkɔ. Good. This is just a first edition, so I will stop here. Good. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe. In that sense, anytime I make new videos, you'll be informed automatically. Thanks for listening and keep on learning Twi with Opoku.